Good morning. Long time no see. Actually, today's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day if you celebrate it. If you don't, happy regular day. Today, we're gonna paint my skates. We're gonna go shopping for the paint and for the materials. I think I have most of them. I just want to go shopping, okay? Let's go shopping. By the way, I still don't know what I should draw on my skates, but we'll figure it out. Yeah. Man, Halloween stuff. I want my skates to be shiny. So cute. I'm taking this. What is it? Oh, that's what I'm looking for, but a smaller size. I think I'm gonna take matte. No, I'm gonna take satin. Now I need some paint. I just want some cheap acrylic paint. Guess I can work with that. I need a black and white though. $2 for all this. I only need the foam brush. Oh, right here. I just need two. I need this. I need this. Good boy. Hi guys, I'm back. It's now almost 6:30 in the evening. Anyway, I did buy my supplies. I'm gonna show you what I got. My acrylic paint, of course. Brushes. I already have some brushes, but these are the finer details. I got the black paint. Trying to make it look nice, okay? Mod Podge, which I should have gotten in matte now that I really think about it, but oh well. My foam brushes. Glitter glue, which I don't need at all. This one says it glows in the dark. This isn't everything I'm gonna use, but this is the stuff that I didn't have that I just bought. Cause I already have like more paint. And I have all these brushes, all this other stuff. Now the only thing left to do is to try and figure out what the heck I'm gonna draw. Actually, first we're gonna start by cleaning our skates. I've seen a lot of other people do this. Shout out to Angelica, who's the first one that I saw doing this, but I've seen a lot of other girls do it. I'll link them in the box below. So we finally did it. Took everything off except the plate. I'm just gonna use good old soap and water on my boots, and on this part I'm just gonna wipe down with a towel.
Hello everyone. This was supposed to be the voiceover section, but I can't figure out this microphone still, so all this script stuff, garbage. I'll try to input as much text as I can into the video, but otherwise just enjoy the whole process. I actually did the whole process from beginning to end in my Twitch. If you want to go ahead and give me a follow, I'd appreciate it. I don't have a set schedule, but I try to upload, or I try to live stream at least once a week. So there you go. Enjoy.
I've never worked with this material before, so I'm not sure how to start. Usually I start with the background and work forward, but because this is PVC, I believe, it's not going to absorb any of the paint.
Bye.